Hey everyone, welcome to Dave and Family Farm. Thank you for joining me for this video here today. We're just going to do a short video on using the new 22-ton Rugged Made log splitter. Just a quick side note, I did actually use this already the other day. I needed a load of wood for my garage and I wanted to make a video, but it was raining so hard that as you can see, we're in the greenhouse here. We store our wood in here for the winter time. Works nice to keep the snow off and gives you kind of a warm place to work. But the rain was hitting the plastic so hard you couldn't really hear anything. So I was unable to film that day. So I have done one little load of wood with the Gator already with this. But we're going to get you some shots using it here today. And then stay tuned because a upcoming video, you can see in the background there is our Splitfire 3265, and we're going to be doing a comparison video of the new log splitter versus the old Splitfire. So that'll be kind of an interesting, fun video. We'll just briefly go over some of the features of each, and we're basically going to have a race with them. We'll pick two pieces of log that are the same size, and we'll see how long it takes to split on each. So that'll be kind of fun to do, so stay tuned for that. But as for today, let's get splitting. there you have it. Split a quick load here on the Gator. Normally I stack it a little better, but when I'm filming I get a little distracted. So but there you go. That's the basic overview and use here, the new log splitter. You can see how handy that log lift is. You know, you can put 3, 4. I mean, if you wanted to stack it up more, you easily could. And it just eliminates a lot of bending over there. And then of course when the pieces come out here, not having to bend over and pick them up off the ground, or you know, catching one and letting one drop and having to pick it back up. So this is a huge back saver, as well as that hydraulic lift. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, stay tuned for the comparison between this and the Splitfire. That should be kind of a fun video. Please hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Any questions about the splitter or comments, leave them down below. I love reading your comments, so I appreciate those. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.